Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use the Google app for Windows. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To download and install the Google app for Windows, head to the web page and click on Download the app. Now this downloads the installer. Locate the installer by pressing this button and then double click on this file. This installs the Google app for Windows. Please wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will be greeted with this screen. You have two options. Either you can sign in without an account or sign in with a Google account. I would choose this option. Now wait for a while and the Google app for Windows will be in front of you. Now you can share your entire screen or a specific window. You can also add files to the chat and ask anything or search. You can search among the apps and websites on your machine or do a web search. You can even ask to the AI mode. To close the app, you can use this button here. To open the app again, you can use a shortcut key which is Alt space. You can even use the Google Lens by pressing this button and then selecting an area of your screen you want to share with Google Lens.
Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.